Your first FAQ. With the frequently asked questions, you can have Gloria answer exactly as you would. They are fully customizable, and you can add as many as you want. The more you add, the better Gloria will answer. In this case, being about a restaurant, we will ask if the place accepts pets. A tip for you is to ask the same question with different words so that no matter how customers ask, they will get the same answers every time. Once you add your questions, add an answer and edit the text form to your liking. Keep in mind that this can guide your visitors to perform the actions you require. You can also add images and resources, and calls to action and actions, depending on the question you enter. This will increase the chances of solving customer service-related problems or boosting sales. Right away, try the FAQ by asking Gloria directly. And that's how you can create your first FAQ in Gloria AI. Until next time.